Yo, what's going on? It's Lil Panda. Check this out, man. I got a crazy custom for you guys today, man. Um, this is a Venom. This is like just a little Venom idea I don't know what buck this is. I'm not sure. Maybe somebody can let me know in the comments below if you recognize what figure. It's gotta be something like maybe some kind of Marvel Selects. I can tell from like the joint work. It looks like some kind of Marvel Selects. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's not a Marvel Legends, but like I said, if you recognize whatever this is, it looks like a Black Heart or something. I don't know what it is, but the figure that I'm kit bashing with is a Venom from Marvel Legends, the Tom Hardy movie version or whatever. So I just had this sick idea. I was like, you know what? I want my Venom to be like a 7-foot looking, like just crazy looking figure. So I'm doing like a little cut work here with some razors. I whip out the drill because I'm gonna I had to add in my hand. So I had to add the hand in there, obviously. So I'm doing that. I'm gonna come through here with like a little bit of acetone and clear off some of this that green like purple tint, because I'm gonna repaint it. So I'm going with just a basic black, stuff like that. Like if you guys have any questions about like any of the tools or the paints that I'm using, just hit me in the comments below. I'll let y'all know. Yeah, but basically it's just a kit bash. I mean, I don't know. I personally like the way it came out. Like, I think it was pretty fire. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, you know, like, are y'all messing with this? Are y'all messing with this? Y'all want to see me do more stuff like this, or just some like more basic kit bash? I feel like this is pretty basic kit bash in my opinion, but you know, opinions are opinions. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, I'm just running through here real quick. It wasn't nothing major. I really do enjoy the way the figure came out. I didn't do like the spider or anything like that. I wanted to keep it more I guess like the Tom Hardy version from that universe. So I didn't do the spider on the chest. And honestly, if I did, I don't know if that would have turned out well. Like, I'm like, because the way the whole figure, the body, you know, it's like it has all those gaps and stuff like that. I don't know how a spider on the chest would have turned out, or on the back. But yeah, I did a little sculpting work too on the back, because they had like these two gigantic holes, and I just filled it in with this milli put stuff. You know, I filled it in and then just painted over it. And honestly, I feel like it turned out. I got all the joints correct. The hand moves, like you can see right here, those big old two gigantic holes for whatever, you know. Because once again, I don't know what figure this is. So if you guys know, let me know on the bottom. Let me know in the comments below, so that way I can look this up, because I don't know what figure this is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let it play all the way through. You know, anything you guys gotta say, comments, opinions, ideas for other customs that you guys might want to see me do, just let me know in the comments below, man. Like and subscribe, you know, it helps out the videos a lot. Other than that, man, it's Lil Panda. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm out.